What's going on, guys? Jonny Bubbles back with another Reshoevn8r challenge. This time it's from Harrison. Now, not sure if you guys went ahead and checked out his video yet. If not, make sure you click right here. He went ahead and got these completely trash from what I've seen in the video. I haven't opened the box yet, so it's probably gonna smell. I hope there's no mold like Heskix's video, and I don't know what to expect. So, without further ado, let's open the box. Oh, I'm a little nervous. It's a piece of paper. I don't want maggots on this one. There's mold. There's mold again, dude. Why? Oh. Dude, I can smell it through this. That's definitely mold.
Yeah, it's mold, alright.
Oh. Alright, guys, so we have the shoes taken out of the bag. These are super disgusting. As you can see, we have mold over here. We have it on the elephant print, on the tongue, in between the laces, like all up over here. Oh, bro. On this one, we have mold all up on the side panel here. I don't know if this is gonna stain the material. There's grass growing right here on the elephant print. This is disgusting, bro. I don't know what we're gonna do. We'll definitely have to rinse them out again, Jake. And we're definitely gonna have to show the team. Worse than Sakai. Kilo G! I need you to check these out, my guy. That's clam chowder on there. Look at the mold.
Mm-hmm.
You wanna taste it?
No, I'm good. I appreciate it. Thank you.
All right, let's go rinse these off. All right, guys, we are back from rinsing these off outside, and as you can see, they still look pretty nasty. Now, they still have a bit of a stench, guys. It's a little disgusting, and I think that's just because it's all wet on the inside of this shoe. But in addition to that, there is mold. There was mold, I guess you would say, right here. I mean, you can still see it on the elephant print, and it's just disgusting, guys. And I know what you guys are thinking, why are we doing this? So the Reshoevn8r challenge is pretty simple. We're choosing one of our influencers at random, sending them a pair of shoes, and we're saying, yo, beat it up. Let's see how well Jonny Bubbles can do with Reshoevn8r and get these cleaned up. So far, we're 2-0. So next up, guys, like I mentioned in the beginning of the video, this is a pair that Harrison went ahead and trashed for us. So let's see what we can do. Let's see if we can go ahead and go three-peat and take another win, or am I not gonna be able to clean it up and I take it out? We'll see. But either way, guys, today I am gonna be using Reshoevn8r's Ultimate Cleaning Kit that comes with our big 16-ounce bottle, sneaker laundry detergent, and a few other miscellaneous items that you can find at Reshoevn8r.com. But without further ado, let's get bubbly. All right, guys, for this beginning video, I am gonna clean the right shoe first. So I'm gonna put the left one to the side. Now I'm still gonna clean it, but I'm gonna start with the right one. First thing I'm gonna do is remove, oh, remove the laces.
Like a chunk, I can see.
Oh, look at that. Oh.
Little nugget, dude.
Ah!
How much? How much would it cost to eat that?
At least $200. Next up, guys, is to start the cleaning. So what I'm gonna do is take our bottle of solution here, our 16-ounce bottle, which cleans up to about 200 pairs of sneakers, 2 little squirts. Actually, let me do one more for this nasty shoe. And I'm gonna begin cleaning the uppers using the soft bristle brush.
Yep. Oh!
If I gain 500 followers on Instagram, at Jonny Bubbles __, I'll eat that nugget.
Eat the nugget for
500 followers. Yep, but it has to happen within 24 hours. Overall, I mean, it might be stained. It looks like it's a little yellow, but we'll see. Actually, let me go ahead and pat it dry real quick. See how it looks. All right, guys, I am done cleaning the uppers with the soft bristle brush. And as you can see, it's a little yellow. As I mentioned, I was afraid that the material was gonna stain. You can see that here on the midsole, here on the uppers, right here on the tongue. Now, I'm gonna try using the medium brush, since it's a stiffer brush, to go ahead and see if it gets deeper into that material. But if not, I may just have to pass these on to Vic so he can restore them. But other than that, I mean, I think they're cleaned up pretty good. They still stink, but the laundry system should take care of that. So let's go ahead and move on to the medium bristle brush now. All right, I think I'm done with this right side. All right, guys, so I am done cleaning the left shoe. I did it off camera, as I mentioned. One thing that is the same as the right shoe is the staining on the uppers. Hopefully that does come out with the laundry system. I'm not sure. If not, I'm gonna have to figure something out. But the next step, guys, is to put the shoes inside of the laundry bag. Now, we get this question a lot, is how do you fit a pair of shoes inside of the laundry bag? And it's real simple. You take a heel to toe motion, just like this, and you put them inside of the laundry bag. Now, it might be a little snug, so it might be tricky, but it's real simple. Let's go ahead and put it down. I say it's simple as I struggle to do it. It might be tricky, but it's real simple. But it might be tricky to some. That's why I say it. Because to some, they might not even know what a heel toe motion is. Look at that. Easy, dude. Easy peasy. Now you just lock it down. Boom. All right, there you go. Size 11 inside a bag. Let's go put it in the wash. Oh. All right, guys, the next step is to put the shoe in the wash, just like so. Now this washer doesn't have like that little agitator in the middle, which is cool. Next step is to pull out the little tray here, grab our sneaker laundry detergent, loosen the cap, squeeze it to about an ounce. Go ahead and open the tray here. Just pour the detergent into the tray. Close it up. Go ahead and turn on the wash. You always want to do normal cycle, cold water. Normal spin is fine. And we'll be back in an hour. All right, guys, I am back. It's been about 3 weeks since I started this cleaning, and I know what you're thinking. Whoa, crazy different set, right? Well, the reason for that being is we were shooting some other content with Vic for like some upcoming stuff. So this is what we came up with. It's kind of cool, but it is gonna change, so don't worry, guys. But like I said, it's been a few weeks since I started cleaning these white cement 3s, and unfortunately, guys, I gotta take a big fat L. Unfortunately, I was not able to remove some of the deep stains that happened during the transit process. Now, when Harrison shipped them over to us, it was about 2 weeks before I even opened the box to start the cleaning, and that's unfortunate because I wasn't able to get it fully clean. Now, I was able to get the smell out and obviously get all the gunk and stuff off of it, but as you can see here, that material is just stained. The leather stain, midsole stain, I don't know if you can see that on camera, outsole is stained, and the elephant print is stained. So what I would always recommend, guys, is never leave your shoes dusty or stained. Always make sure you clean them up as soon as they're dirty. If you're at a party, spill something on it. As soon as you get home, clean them up, because this can happen to you. But that's gonna go ahead and wrap up this video, guys. Make sure you go ahead and cop some Reshoevn8r products at Reshoevn8r.com. There'll be a nice little promo code for you in the description below. And also, guys, don't forget, if you guys follow me on IG and I get 500 followers, I'll be eating that nasty little nugget that was on top of the shoe, guys. That's gonna wrap it up. I'm Jonny Bubbles. I'll see you guys next time. Peace.